Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys, mobile network guys. How can we solve? Friends, we want to solve guys your Samsung phone guys mobile network. And how can we solve guys Samsung phone guys mobile network problem today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we solve Samsung phone mobile network problem. So after on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this tab setting friends, click on guys your phone general setting guys, tap on general setting, then guys again scroll friends, click on guys your reset setting, friends click on reset network setting guys, tap here to guys, you can see mobile data mobile network problem guys, we will tap here to reset means guys solve, then guys after 4 and 5 seconds guys your phone network problem is solved, and guys you can use guys your mobile data problem. Guys, you can use guys your phone mobile data guys without any problem. After that guys you have any problem, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. So bye guys.